meteorologist Maria Ruiz joining me at the desk. Maria, look, we down here in Texas, we not dealing with nothing like that.
No.
What do we have on tap today?
Well, we have cloud cover and temperatures in the 60s today, which is nothing like lake effect snow, as you can see there from the video we just showed you. But I do want to alert you to our next big change, and that is coming in tomorrow. And we're looking at the potential for isolated strong to severe storms. I want you to go ahead and download that WFAA app if you haven't done so yet. That way you can go about your day tomorrow, and if we have to alert you, we can. But for now, it doesn't look like it's going to be a big severe threat. It's a level 1 out of 5. It's the lowest level threat that we have for the potential of strong winds and hail, with the strongest of storms that we do have. Now, southeast of here, southeast of North Texas, we're looking at a higher severe threat, and I'll get to that. But I want to focus on here first. We're looking at some showers starting up around 3, 4 in the morning on Thursday, maybe a few isolated storms. Coverage is going to go up to about a 90% as we go about the day on Thursday, mainly Thursday late in the morning through the afternoon. Let me show you what that looks like. Just showers in the morning, but look at this. This is around midday. Looking at a few pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall, maybe a few of those isolated strong storms, and cloud cover for the rest of the region. So if you're not seeing the rain, you're definitely seeing the cloudy conditions. Most of the afternoon, most of the activity will be east of the Metroplex. So we'll be looking at a few pop-up thunderstorms there. And again, very scattered in nature with the highest coverage, mainly towards the northeast. This is now taking you through 8 in the evening. We see a lot of those storms along our far eastern counties starting to clear out all ahead of this front. That front makes it to the Metroplex sometime around midnight Thursday going into Friday, bringing in the drier air and the breezy conditions. We could pick up anywhere between 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain, higher rainfall amounts towards the east. We are now going to take you off towards the south. That's what we're looking at, the potential for additional strong to severe storms. This is going to be the highest concentration of severe weather that we're expecting tomorrow. We're looking at large hail, damaging winds with the strongest of storms, but also the potential for isolated tornadoes. This is going to be between the time frame of 11 in the morning till about 6 in the evening. So it's a big time frame, and it's really happening before the sun sets, most of it at least. We're looking at, again, for anywhere from the Brazos Valley towards the southeast between 11 to 12. And then again, for the afternoon, you'll see this scattered activity across the region before the threat shifts more towards the east, all ahead of that next front. Today, you don't got to worry about any of it. Temperature of 55 degrees. We're looking at more cloud cover coming in. We started the day off with under a mostly clear sky, and we're going to see additional cloud cover as the day goes on. And that's really just because of a south wind that's helping bring up moisture from the Gulf. It's helping ramp up our temperatures too. We'll still be at about 63 degrees even with the cloud cover this afternoon. 62 in Dallas, 62 in Fort Worth, 61 in Denton, about 60 in McKinney and in Terrell. This is really close to what's considered normal for this time of the year. And again, we are going to see those winds picking up slightly tomorrow. So today, go ahead and take advantage of the winds being calm. Maybe you have some outdoor plans. The holidays are definitely ramping up, so a lot of activities going on. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 50s by around 6, mid 50s by 7. And we hold steady in the mid 50s overnight. In fact, we're not cooling down much. We only make it to about 53 degrees tonight in Dallas, 54 in Fort Worth, about 52 in Denton and in McKinney. Big difference from the last several mornings, and that just has to do with the added cloud cover and the added moisture that we have in the region. Some temperatures in the mid 60s today and tomorrow, upper 50s on Friday, 60s over the weekend with drier conditions. So after Thursday, rain is really looking thin. Mild conditions expected through the first week of December. We'll be back.